Hello, my name is Ashton, and in this episode, I will teach you about basic motion blocks and location. Before we learn about the motion blocks, we first need to understand what a sprite's location is. Its location is determined by its x value, which is how far to the left and to the right it is, and its y value, which is how far up and down it is. You can view these sprites right here, right below the program, and you can change them by simply clicking in the box and typing in what you want. When these values are both 0, the sprite is set to the center of the screen. To represent locations below and to the left of the center, it uses negative numbers. If you don't know what a negative number is, I've put a small summary of them in the description of this video. Now, the basic motion blocks are these four right here. Change x by, set x to, change y by, and set y to. The change blocks will change the sprite's x value and y value by the amount within the y part of the block. If it has a positive number, the x block will move to the right, and the y block will move up. And if it has a negative number, done by putting a minus sign in front of it, the x block will make it go to the left, and the y block will make it go down. The set x and set y blocks are rather simple. They set the x or y value of the sprite to whatever is input into the white area of the block. So if we change this to 15, this block will set the x to 15, as so. We can do the same with the y block here. Let's set it to 35. Then if we click it, y will change from 0 to 35. There's also the go to xy block, which allows you to set both the x and y at the same time with just one block. So if I click it, both x and y will change to 0. They don't have to be the same thing like they are here, like I can set it to 17 or something and it'll still work. As so, yeah. One last thing before we finish up, there's no limit to what you can put in any of these blocks. You can put to like 9 billion or something, but when the block is ran, the sprite cannot leave the areas of the program. So if we press this, the program will stop it from exiting the view of the player. With that, however, you now know the basics of changing a sprite's location. Thank you for watching.